Hello, I'm Bonnie Porter, Academic Coordinator for K-6 Science in the Dayton Challenger Center. Welcome to the Ready, Set, Learn video series. In this session, we'll be discussing the science in a box. During this remote learning period, your child will receive numerous supplies. In preparation for this remote learning experience, when all 5th grade students receive their Ready Packs, they'll also receive a fantastic Science in the Box as part of their curriculum pack. This Science Ready Pack is extremely important. The Dayton Challenger Learning Center created the labs to correlate with the Ohio Science Learning Standards for the Ohio State tests. This is exciting news. Each science box has 7 hands-on labs, which include all materials needed except water, a bowl or tub, and a 20-ounce bottle. Teachers will let students know in advance when these items are needed. Each lab is individually labeled. These labs will cover the scientific method, ecosystem, animal adaptation, and several other standards throughout the fall quarter. Take a look at this. An example of one of the labs is the owl pellet lab. Look, gloves, tweezers, toothpicks, bone chart, and an owl pellet. This is going to be so much fun as your child learns while dissecting this pellet during class. Notice that this is a labeled lab number 5. Directions and lab sheets will be given online by teachers. One lab sheet is in this box, the bone chart. The purpose of these lab kits is to provide hands-on activities for your child. They will collect and analyze data along with their classmates. By doing hands-on labs, your child will get a better understanding of the content being covered. Make sure your child keeps their supplies in this science box. Some items in the box can be used more than once, so don't throw anything away. One last thing, remember, place this science box in a safe place until teachers inform your child that a lab package is needed for their science class. For additional resources, visit DaytonPublic.com. Then click on the virtual learning link at the top of the page. Thank you for watching and have a great school year.